Here is the situation. A freelance computer network technician is contacted by a client. The client says that he tries to send some data from one computer to another and the data is not received by the second computer. So the sender is a device and receiver is also a device. The sender and receiver can be any devices, such as a router or computer. In technical terms, they can be referred to as a transmitter and receiver, though basically the network have a transmitter, receiver and a medium.
A transmitter or sender can be a variety of devices such as a hub, router, bridge, repeater, gateways, or router. When the transmitter and receiver are housed within the same device, they are referred to as transceivers.
A switch acts as a connector for multiple network devices, such as computers and printers, using Ethernet cabling. By plugging multiple data cables into a switch, communication between different network devices is made possible using a switch. Switches facilitate the flow of data across a network by transmitting received network packets only to the devices for which the packet is intended. Data serves as the foundation of a management system, much like raw material is the foundation of a production system. The client in this context may be a manager responsible for managing the data. However, an issue may arise if information is not being received. At this point, it is important to evaluate the transmission medium being used. Computer networks mainly employ two types of transmission media, guided and unguided. Guided media requires a physical medium, while unguided media uses air for communication. Fiber optic cable, twisted pair cable, and coaxial cable are the three primary types of network cables used in communication systems, with each being suitable for different applications. In the next video, we will explore network services. Thank you for watching.